Hi guys, how's everybody doing today? Good, because we're back with another amazing video, you guys. You guys, today what I'm doing is I'm going to do an oven baked spare rib video. So if you're ready for this video, you guys, come on in. Okay, so what I'm going to do today, you guys, is I'm showing you guys how to clean your spare ribs, right? So this part only has a little meat, so we're not really going to worry about that. But, you know, I just want to show you guys how I'm going to clean this spare rib and take this membrane right off and get to the meat of it, right? Now, please be careful, because your girl, you know, she has a little experience in this, been cooking for a minute, and we're going to make sure we get some of that meat off. Now, my hands are clean, right? They are clean, and I cannot clean ribs with gloves on. I'm sorry if it offends anyone, but I'm just going to go in here and cut some of this fat off, because we don't want a lot of fat in this rib, right? So, look at this big piece. We're just going to go in and get that membrane and this fat off this rib, you guys. That's the key to a good rib, you guys. So, as I'm preparing my dinner, I got a little soul food cooking, because quite naturally your girl loves her greens, right? Let's see. Sometimes the meat can be a little tough to get in there at the fat, and it's okay, because this look like it's one of those pieces. But we're gonna go in here and we're gonna see what we can shave off. Well, I don't know, you guys, because like I say, give me a minute. I'm gonna get back to that piece right there. But anywho, let's go in here and take this membrane off. You guys, how's everybody doing? If you're new to the channel, thank you for coming in, showing your love and your support. You guys, we have some amazing cooks on here. We got Chef Hit Dice. We have Rookie Chef. The Rookie Chef, you guys. You guys, you may catch them in my comment area. Please, by all means, you know, let's support each other in this journey. But I'm just carrying my knife up under here of this membrane so I can get it lift up. And we just gonna go on and pour. Sometimes it can be a little tough, but you guys get the concept of it, I guess. I'm assuming. And just ease it off, just like that. So anywho, let's go on and make this video a little shorter. Okay, fam, so we have cleaned our meat. We're just going to put it over in this pan right here. Okay, guys, so now it's time to season our rib. As you guys can tell, I have got a lot of fat off the ribs, you guys. Look at all of that fat. So we're going to season them up because these is going to be some delicious oven baked ribs, right? So we're just going to lay all of this down just like this. Let me get me a towel. Okay. You guys, if you hear me talking, we're going to start off with a little meat tenderizer. We're going to have us a little barbecue season. Well, barbecue spices, you know, same thing. We're going to use a little garlic powder. And a little black pepper. Now to top it off, we're going to use a little extra virgin olive oil. And we got our oven set on 350, right? The smell of it already smells good, right? And we're going to flip this meat right on over. And we're going to repeat the process. And we get a towel. Going to repeat the process. You guys, you may hear my video running because I have it on my TV. And a lot of times I watch you guys from the TV. Watches you guys. You know what? I didn't add the onion chips, but we're going to put some onion chips in here. Well, you know, dry onions, chopped onions. We'll do it once we flip it because I want to flip my meat back. Oh my goodness. There we go. This is our black pepper again. I don't know. Did I do the barbecue seasoning? I don't know. Well, you never could have enough of that, okay? And like I say, you guys, we're not going to add any juices to this because we already have some water down in there. And we're just going to go on and season this on up. And we're going to let it bake. I'm going to put it on its back again. And we're going to add some more onion chips. Let me wash my hands, you guys. And I'm just going to cover this with some aluminum foil and let this cook for approximately a half an hour. So we want to make sure we put a cover on it. So we got us a pot of kale greens going. And we just gonna put us a little slap your mama in here. Now you guys, if you haven't checked out my green video, please do so. So we're gonna put us some slap your mama in here. A little black pepper. Yes. A little black pepper. And we're gonna just throw us a little meat tenderizer. Meat tenderizer will not hurt anything. So please, try your little meat tenderizer in your greens. Especially when you have neck bones and, you know, all of that other stuff. And we got a pack of Sazon. And we just, that's all the seasoning I think we need. Right? Little olive oil. Or you can use that, you know, old, well, I ain't gonna say old, but you know that chicken grease that you done fried some chicken in. You know, you guys. And we're just gonna go ahead and let this pot of kale greens do its thing. Because we're cooking us a little soul food today. I really need my fork, but anywho, I just wanted to show you a piece of what we got on the stove. Right? Little peek of what we got on the stove for today's dinner. We have some corn on the cob, you guys, and we just gonna put us some butter right down in there. Well, we're gonna try to get it down in there. I'm gonna put it right on in there just like that. Oh, wait a minute. There we go. Like I said, you guys, I watch a lot of you guys on TV. And so, yeah, I'm watching myself this morning. So, you guys, if you're not part of the fam, what are you waiting on? So, guys, so we're back. And we just want to get into these ribs. I'm sorry, guys. So guys, we are back. If the lighting seemed different, it's because it is. I had to switch from my camera. But anywho, you guys, we just checking on the ribs. And as you see, they are getting to that point to be tender. And we're going to take some of this juice off here. So as you guys can tell, I took the juice off, and we just gonna flip them, and they are absolutely tender, you guys. But I am gonna put them back into the oven, you guys. So if you like this video, share this video with anyone, and we just gonna let this bake. I'm gonna turn it up from 350 to 400 so that we can get our golden brown on it. We're also gonna let it bake to get its golden brown, but we're gonna bake it uncovered now.